Los Angeles, the case involving Roman Polanski, who fled the United States after he forced himself on a teenage girl during a photo shoot, has spanned more than 40 years, sparking court battles on both sides of the Atlantic. The Oscar winner remains a fugitive, and has repeatedly requested that a court end the case without his presence. Meanwhile, prosecutors have repeatedly sought his extradition, so the case can end with his sentencing. A ruling Monday failed to provide Polanski what he has wanted for years, an avenue to end the case from afar. Here are some key dates in the long-running court saga: March 10, 1977, Roman Polanski conducts a photo shoot with a 13-year-old girl at Jack Nicholson's house. As she later testifies, Polanski gives the girl champagne and part of a sedative during the shoot, then forced her to have sex. She says she repeatedly told Polanski no during intercourse, but says she did not fight him because she was afraid of him. The girl's mother calls police after finding out what happened. March 24, 1977, a grand jury indicts Polanski on 6 felony charges, including rape, furnishing a controlled substance to a minor, and sodomy. He later pleads not guilty at arraignment. August 1977, Polanski pleads guilty to unlawful sexual intercourse with a minor, and a judge orders the director to undergo further proceedings. September 1977, a judge orders the director to undergo a 90-day diagnostic screening at a California state prison to help determine sentencing. January 1978, the diagnostic screening, completed after 42 days, recommends Polanski be placed on probation. February 1, 1978, Polanski flees the United States on eve of sentencing after learning that Los Angeles Superior Court Judge Lawrence Rittenband intended to send Polanski back to prison. An arrest warrant is issued, confining Polanski's movements to France, Poland, and Switzerland. Polanski alleges Rittenband met with a prosecutor who was not assigned to the case, without Polanski's lawyer present, to discuss sentencing. September 1997, a new judge meets with prosecutors and Polanski's attorney to discuss the case in chambers. The meeting is not reported, and elements of the discussion remain in dispute. Polanski's attorney contends the judge wanted Polanski's sentencing hearing televised, which the judge denies. Prosecutors contend Polanski sought to be sentenced without reporters present, which the director denies. November 2002, lawyers for Condé Nast Publications successfully unseal grand jury testimony presented in Polanski's case. March 2003, Polanski wins the Best Director Academy Award for The Pianist, but is unable to collect his Oscar in person due to an outstanding warrant for his arrest. December 2008, Polanski's lawyers seek a dismissal of the charges against him. His motion is supported by his victim. February 2009, a Los Angeles Superior Court judge rejects Polanski's dismissal motion, stating that Polanski must appear in court to resolve his case. The order goes into effect in May 2009. July 2009, Polanski appeals the February ruling in his case. September 2009, Polanski is arrested in Switzerland pursuant to a warrant. Extradition proceedings begin. December 2009, a California court panel rejects Polanski's appeal, ruling that the director must appear in court to resolve his case. January 2010, Polanski's lawyers request the director be sentenced without being present in Los Angeles. February 2010, a Los Angeles court takes sealed testimony from Roger Gunson, the original prosecutor who handled Polanski's case, about his recollections of the judge's 1977 promises to the director. May 2010, a judge rejects a motion by Polanski's lawyers to unseal Gunson's testimony. July 2010, Switzerland rejects U.S. request to extradite Polanski, citing its inability to obtain the Gunson testimony. December 2014, Polanski's lawyers seek an evidentiary hearing to explore the director's allegations of judicial misconduct in Los Angeles. A judge rejects the motion without conducting a hearing. February 2015, Roman Polanski appears in a Polish court for hours of questioning on whether a U.S. request to extradite the director is valid. October 2015, a Polish court rejects an effort to extradite Polanski. May 2016, Poland's new justice minister revives extradition proceedings against Polanski. December 2016, the Polish Supreme Court rules Polanski will not be extradited to the United States. February 2017, Polanski's attorney seeks an order in Los Angeles to unseal Gunson's testimony. Later motions by Polanski seek an order confirming the director should not serve any additional time behind bars if he returns to Los Angeles. Polanski's lawyer relies on information included in a lengthy Polish court decision. April 2017, a Los Angeles judge rejects Polanski's requests to be sentenced without returning to court, or for a determination he has served his sentence.